everyone!
Hello everyone! Hello everyone!
Hi everyone! My name is Maria Clara Sabado, but you can call me Kai. I am 20 years old and I was born on March 1, 2005. Hilig ay sumayaw. At the moment, I live in San Nicolas, Bacoor. I study at Binalona University of Eastern Pangasinan.
Whoa, 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 why you calling me a baby?
Now, I would like to talk about my like and dislikes. I like black, but I hate violet. And also, I have animals. Let's go. Come here. So, sunlight, malulog na po siya. So, gabi na po. Sa ibang bansa mag-umaga na. Okay? I'm interested in chickpeas, but I'm bored without chickpeas. In the future, my dream job is working on cruise ship.
Guys, kumakain ba ka ng kulot? Sarap po ito. Fresh na fresh galing sa bayo.
Rama naman.
That's all for now. Thank you for